What is coding? Coding is a list of step-by-step instructions that get computers to do what you want them to do. Coding make computer to know exactly how to reacts to things like the clicking on a mouse. Whatever happens ultimately is happening because of lines of the code written by a human programmer. This is microbit. Microbit is a piece of hardware, a tiny pocket-sized computer. The microbit can be programmed to do a number of different things. It can be a digital watch, fitness tracker, a games console and more. But, to make it work, you have to tell it what to do by coding. This is Microsoft Makecode for microbit. Microsoft Makecode is a web-based environment for learning to code, so that means you not need install any software in your computer. To open Microsoft Makecode for microbit, search makecode.microbit.org in your browser. After that, you can create a new project. This is Programming Workspace. Programs are constructed by snapping blocks together in this area. This is OnStart. OnStart is an event that runs when the program starts, before any other event. And this is Forever. Forever used to keep running part of a program in the background. Now let's start coding. First, go to Basics category and find the Show Number block. Show Number is a block that used to show a number on the LED screen. Drag it and place to the OnStart, and after that you can see the result in simulator. And this is Show String. Show String used to show a string on the LED screen. Anywhere, you can change the value in the block. Simulator will auto-refresh and display the number on it. You can now try put your age in Show Number, and put your name in Show String. If you want to repeat your name and your age in microbit again and again, you can just put your program inside the Forever. Except Show Number and Show String, you also can show an icon in the microbit. By using Show Icon, you can show selected icon on the LED screen. And when we drag a Show Small Heart icon to below the Show Heart icon, your microbit will show a flashing heart animation. If you think that the heart is flashing too fast, you can put a pause in every icon. 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 seconds. If you want to customize your own icon or image, you can using Show LEDs to draw by yourself. Now we can try to do a countdown from 3 to 1, after that your microbit will show a dancing man.